May the record reflect, Your Honor, that Peter Chi has executed an open court waiver of his personal presence pursuant to Penal Code Section 977.
The record will so reflect.
The way to protect the public, Your Honor, is this, and I'm very cognizant of the public safety imperative. The public safety can be protected by requiring, as a condition of bail, that Dr. Chi have a practice monitor in place who will attend to any patient examination or procedure with Dr. Chi and sign off on any clinical charts attesting to their presence, and that will protect the public safety.
During some of these procedures where he's being alleged to have committed these criminal acts, that there were one or two nurses present right in the room watching while he was doing this.
Right, and
those monitors didn't prevent, apparently didn't prevent, but didn't cause them to either say anything. It didn't prevent him from doing this on other occasions.
those individuals present at the time were not then functioning as monitors at the behest of the Superior Court. I suggest
Here's what I'm
that
going to do. Here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to, at this time, order that Dr. Chi not be allowed to practice medicine or attend medical procedures.
Was that after Dr. Chi knew about the investigation, he actually took some of the victims' charts home with him. To do what? Apparently doctor them up. More victims have come forward today, and we don't want him in the office. We don't want him touching any of those records that we might have to subpoena, and he would be altering that. That would be tampering with the evidence.
Search warrants have been executed in this case. Documents have been seized. Computers have been seized at the home and at the business. And so I think that most of the evidence has been collected and now is in the process of being analyzed, which is one of the reasons why we're putting this over some length of time to allow us to look at that information. Dr. Chi is not going to be doing anything inappropriate with medical records. If he did, that's an independent violation. I think the court has, over our objection, narrowly focused on public safety, and I think by prohibiting him from engaging in any medical procedures, you have protected the public. And the Attorney General wants to go way beyond that and essentially punish him. And I think that he has business to attend to at his practice, and the point of this is not see patients, not involved in procedures. That message has been received loud and clear, and I think it takes care of the problem as perceived by the court.
It's my understanding that there's been at least 16 more victims that have come forward today. That's part, they're going to have to go after that, investigate those medical records, and it's my understanding they are still at Dr. Chi's medical establishment.
Okay, I'm going to order Dr. Chi that you not go back to your office. I think we've protected the public by having him not be able to practice medicine. But I don't know the standards on which it should be taken, especially without a finding of wrongdoing. There hasn't been a finding of wrongdoing, just allegations at this point.